Hey guys, I'm here to walk you through multiviews. Multiviews are a really fun way, I think they're fun. It kind of messes with your brain a little bit, which is interesting, and it's a step towards three-dimensional modeling. There's going to be a couple steps before we get there. Multiviews is the first one. So multiviews is when you take some object, so here you're given some object, and you have to give me the three different views for said object. So it's like if you took I take like a tissue box. So if I look at the tissue box, what do I see from the top? Like if I'm looking straight from the top, what do you see? What do you see from the side? If you're looking just from the side, and that's called the front. And then what do you see from the right? So you would put, what's that? What's on the right side? And then that's what you're given here. So this is the top of this object, and you can see it with colors here, and then the front, and then the right. All of your multi-views assignments need to have a couple of things. One, they need to have these connecting lines. I don't want them in red because those are for center lines. I want them in blue. So put them in this dark blue here. Then also, here you can see that there's a couple of hidden lines within the object. So if you see a side or a line from that angle, it's going to be it's an object line. But if you know, like, you can't see that there's an indent here, and then you can't see that the indent stops here, or you can. So this is where the front is here, but you don't see this indent, that becomes a hidden line. So that's important to remember for multi-views. But let's go ahead and jump into multi-view 1. You're given this object. I changed my dimension color to green, because when you put it on white PDF, it's hard to see the yellow. So please change dimension color to green. You will need different layers for this. You'll need a hidden layer, which should always be magenta. Your dimensions, again, green, please. And that can be a continuous line. Hidden should be a hidden 2. So I'll show you that one. So hidden 2. And then you should have a connecting line, and that should be blue. And then your object line is white. So you're going to make your objects, and I'm just going to do this like haphazardly. So I say, oh, I'm in the wrong layer. So I say that that's one object, and then this is my top view, and so that's going to be white, and then I just want to stay in the white. Nope. Stay in the object layer, and this is my other view, right? So this is my top, my front, this is my right side. Then you're going to come in and now go to your connections, and this is where I want you to connect your layers. Yours should be at 90-degree angles if you do them correctly, and the distance between the objects is not as important. The only other thing you need to do with this assignment is in the dimensions layer, add text. So I want you to tell me top view. Your text should stay at 0.2, and it should be green. So you just click out to do that, and then this should be your front view. And this should be right side view. Okay, so you need to have connecting lines. You need to have connecting lines between all of your boxes, and that includes if there's an extra box there, make sure you have the connecting line. And then you need to label them, and they do need to be perpendicular. I was just showing you what I'm expecting. Make sure you follow the dimensions of your object. Good luck.